What a mango can do to a woman's body is magic. This is a secret that have been being used for years in some parts of the world. Today we have shared with you this secret. Before we continue, let's shout to these guys, Sally Denman, Melissa Chacon, and Aram. Thank you guys for your support and we really appreciate it. If you would like to be mentioned in our next video, just subscribe to now. We will always do a random shout out from our viewers. How to use mango for tightening the loose or widened women pee parts. Let's watch how to prepare the mango before I explain how to use for restoring your widened and loose pee parts. Make sure you drain well the juice. How to use it: use your finger to massage inside your pee part wall. Insert your finger up to 4 centimeters and massage well. Also massage the outside part. Do it before bed and repeat for 7 to 10 days. Any loose skin will be tightened with this magical mango seed juice. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to keep updated for our new video. Thank you for watching.